Hello everyone! Today I have a new box from ARTEZA to review. I am always so excited to try new products from them. So if you want to watch all my videos reviewing ARTEZA materials, I will put the link on the top of this video, or you can also find it on the description box below. Another note, if you are new to my channel, keep watching the video, and if you like it, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to receive notifications. Help me grow my channel, please. Also, you can follow me on other social media that you can find here on the video or in the box below too. Let's take this beauty from the box. I got the 33-piece drawing set from ARTEZA. The box is metal and is really nice, and I absolutely love the drawing they chose to put on the cover. The shading looks amazing and it has so much impact with the eraser strokes. I really enjoy it. That's also the reason why I'm reviewing this product, because I want to do something similar. On the back of the box you have a list with all the materials that you have inside, and also here on the right side you have the guarantee. So if your products does not perform properly, or just like on my video or other videos, please contact them because they have the best customer support ever and they can help you. Opening the box and ta-da! I have here some HB pencils, I have some charcoal, a white one, you also have some woodless ones and a fine liner that I have some similar ones too. They are really nice if you want to use with other products from ARTEZA. And then you have a eraser pencil with a brush on the other side. It's really nice. I never had one and I didn't know it existed until some time ago. It's really cool. Before I knew about this, I usually use this huge brush because I hate the eraser scraps all over the place. This is just a way of cleaning a bit of my table when I'm working. You can also find a hobby knife to sharpen your pencils, or if you prefer the metal sharpener, and you can also see the paper stumps that you use for the smudging. And you have 3 different sizes and they have 2 kinds of eraser. I will try to use all the materials, including the stumps and also the erasers and some of the pencils too. When you take the top part off, you have all the other pencils. In this case you find the B ones. I never learned much about these pencils when I was in school, but what I remember is just a bit. I will try to explain the better I can. The H, that stands for hard, feature harder graphite. The B, that stands for black, features softer graphite. Then the numbers that you find before of the letter will reveal just how soft or hard the pencil is. In this image you can see that the 4H pencil will be harder than the 2H pencil, while for example the 4B it's softer than the 2B. This might be a bit confusing, but trying to explain even easier. Harder pencils, what means the H, produce lighter marks because less of the graphite is released when the pressure is applied. Instead, the softer pencils make darker marks since more of the material is released. I think this image is very good, so it will explain you a bit more, but the difference is just the H will always be lighter than the B. You can see a bit on the paper here while I'm doing the strokes with the pencils. I think some of them you don't see it very well because of the light I was using at the moment. I will use the paper, also provided from ARTEZA some time ago, that I already used in other videos, and it's perfect for using with all kinds of pencils because it's made for dry materials. The 100 Sheets Sketchbook Premium. In this part of the video, you just see me trying to use pretty much all the pencils. The truth is that the pencils are very smooth and it's pretty easy to work with them, as I have seen in other pencils sent by ARTEZA that I also used. I tried also to smudge some parts. I will be honest, at this time I didn't have any idea of what I wanted to draw, so I just went with the flow. I didn't like this drawing I was doing at the moment, but I really wanted to try anyway to use the pencils but also the erasers to see how they work together. Sometimes when we work with paper and this kind of pencils, usually it smudges everything and it's very difficult to erase it, but it didn't happen in this case and I was pretty happy with it. So even if the drawing didn't went very well, I really wanted to try how they worked together, and well, this is the review, right? So that's what I was aiming for. Don't look to the mistakes I have in the drawings or if they are just some poor sketches. I will do something better in a bit. The idea was, since Mermaid just ended and I wanted to do something simple that had to do with light and darkness, I ended up drawing a girl underwater. A drawing that is made only with black and white are the most powerful, and I wanted to do something a bit also like the cover of the box of ARTEZA, but with my style. Basically, I will use the softer pencils for the background on the bottom, and then I will use the lighter ones that are the H on the top of the hair, and then I will try to do a gradient between them. And then I will use the erasers to make the effects of the light on the water. So that's pretty much what I'm aiming to do. While I was doing the drawing, I remember before, when I was in high school, I really loved to draw these kind of drawings with just the gradients and the grays, the white with the black. This really reminded me of those times, so it was really nice to use this set. The only difference is that I didn't have the stumps, so I had to use my fingers to do the smoothing and also the blending with the pencils. Good thing that changed though. If you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the bell so you won't miss anything. Since I didn't use yet the kneaded eraser, this one can be shaped by hand for precision erasing, creating highlights, or performing detailed work. They are commonly used to remove light charcoal or graphite marks, and you can see that here. It works really well. Also, this eraser does not make eraser scraps. This is the best eraser ever. If you don't like eraser scraps like me, this is your eraser. After the shading done, I ended up using the erasers to make my details and making the shine coming from the top of the water. The little details I ended up using the eraser pencil. That was great and had a lot of precision too. And it's done! Do you know about the silver syndrome? Once I saw a meme showing this. If you don't want this to happen, like me, you just need to use a paper between your hand and the drawing. I didn't want to do that here because you wouldn't see what I was drawing because I was recording for you, of course. But actually, who cares? You can just watch the hands after. Be safe. I washed my hands and it was okay. Everything was removed very fast from my hands, and it makes you proud because it means you just finished the piece, right? I hope you liked this drawing and also this review. What did you think about the video? I'm pretty sure it makes you want to buy this beautiful set, right? I will also put the links to the materials used in this video and also the product I'm reviewing on the description box below. If you want to support me just a bit, you can follow the links and buy the materials from them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to thank ARTEZA for sending me this beautiful set to experiment, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye!